Thank you for choosing Huawei Smart Charger. This video will show you how to install the charger and connect the cables. Prepare the following insulated tools before installation. Check whether the items in the package are complete. Select a wall with sufficient load-bearing capacity. Place the rear cover against the wall. The recommended installation height is 130 to 140 centimeters. Keep the rear cover horizontal and mark the hole drilling positions on the wall using a marker. Use a hammer drill to drill holes on the wall according to the marked positions, and place wall plugs into the holes. Use wall mounting screws to secure the rear cover to the wall. Before connecting cables, ensure that the upstream RCBO is turned off. Use scissors to cut the rubber covers to fit the cable sides. Rubber covers should tightly hold cables to ensure seating effect. The cable stripping template is printed on the inside of the carton. Strip the cable to the recommended length. The exposed metal core should be 14 ± 1 mm long. Select an appropriate cord end terminal based on the cable diameter and crimp the cord end terminal to the cable. Cables can be routed in from the left, middle, right, or bottom. Connect the power cables to the correct terminals based on actual needs. Fasten the screws clockwise. Select the proper cable clips based on the cable diameter. Use screws to secure the cable clips to the corresponding positions on the rear cover. If you use Wi-Fi connection, ensure that the installation area is covered by a wireless network. If you select the wired connection, refer to the following to connect communications cables. Seal the unused power cable inlets with rubber plugs. Cut a cross on the cable rubber cover and attach it to the communications cable inlet. Route the network cable through the communications cable inlet. Connect the network cable to the FE port on the rear side of the charger. Check that all the unused power cable inlets are sealed by rubber plugs. Align the charger with its rear cover and push the charger downwards. Finally, tighten the anti-theft screws at the bottom of the rear cover. As you can see, the charger has been securely installed on the wall.